Hello friends, welcome to my session. Today we'll talk about avoid taking decisions. Why many young professionals and mid-career professionals avoid to take any decisions in their current role. Many people purely depends on their boss decision. They may work as per their boss instructions. Why? Many of the reasons are there. Some of them may worry or fear about the wrong decisions. If they take any wrong decisions, they may lead to any wrong input or wrong impact. So they will avoid. And second one is lack of confidence. If they don't have a confidence, if they take any decision, they cannot survive or justify. They will avoid to take any decision. And third one is perfectionism. Some of the people always looking for a perfectionist activities, perfect decisions. In this world, nobody is perfect. So, if you wanted to take any decision or activities, please move and go forward. So, whether it is right or wrong, if it is right, then it's okay. If it is wrong, correct it. There is no issues. And fourth one is avoiding conflict and always be safe. Some of the people, they are not ready to take any decision and always be in comfort and safe mode. There is no mental stress or they wanted to mental peace. So that's the reason. If it is continued, whether the person can able to achieve or can able to improve in their career, no. Then what can be the best method to come out from this situation? One is build a powerful character. Every person should build a powerful character of themselves. If they build a powerful character, they get ready to face anything, any situation, and they are ready to face. And the second one is create a good legacy. If any issue is there or any problem is there, be the first to take any decisions or your participation is always a prioritized. So, if your participation is increased, day by day, you can create a legacy in your current role. And if you are not ready to take any risk, no pain, no gain. So you should always ready to take any type of risk. Management always ready to continue or appreciate the running horses. So be the first one. Ultimately, you are the person to take decision on your life. So if you think you can able to achieve or you can able to do anything, you can do. Or if you think it is not possible, then you are right. Thank you.